Move the preloaded display to the area in the store where it will be displayed. Remove both the sign and base from shipping carton and set aside. Pull the upright out of the shipping carton using the handles, which are located on either side or on top of the upright. Use 2 people to lift if this display is too heavy. Recycle the shipping carton. As a reminder, this display is preloaded. Do not take the gloves off of the pegs. Locate the plastic bag and S-hooks stapled to the top of the base. These are not needed for the floor display method and can be recycled or thrown away. Pick up the display base. Fold in the flaps at the bottom of the base under in order to stabilize the base. Fold up the front panel to tuck into the notches at the bottom of the base. Fold in the back panels of the display base. This is where the back of the upright will rest. Place the upright on top of the base. The lip on the base should be in front of the bottom edge of the upright. Ensure that this fits and is stable. Pull out the stabilizing tab at the back of the upright and insert it into the slot at the top of the base. This ensures that the upright will not fall forward or fall off of the base. Your display should now look like this. Proceed to step 4. Locate the small plastic bag stapled to the top of the base and remove the S-hooks F from the bag. You are now done with the base and it can now be recycled. Locate the horizontal slots on the top back of the upright. Insert the large part of the S-hooks into the slots in the back of the upright. Lift the upright filled with gloves and mount onto the metal wing rack using the S-hooks. Fold in the flap on the bottom front of the sign backwards as you insert the flap on each side into the slots at the top of the upright. Remove rubber bands from the gloves and remove paper filler from around the gloves. Ensure that the pegs are straight and that the gloves are aligned to look presentable. The pegs should be glued on straight, so adjust carefully if needed. You have now put together your display.